Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on edit document action. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the edit document action include? What is the purpose of using it? How can a document be edited within the DMS and saved as a new document? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access. Additionally, the user must have access to the DMS form. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document. Checkout. Check-in, undo checkout, delete, move document, forward, document access, send email with QR code, chat, attachment, subscribe, unsubscribe document, copy document, download, workflow, upload, in document, out document, enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Edit document. The edit document feature allows users to modify documents directly within the DMS. Users can update the content within the system without downloading the document. When the document is saved after editing, the system creates a new document with the updated content. The original document remains unchanged for audit and reference purposes. The newly created document is managed as a separate document within the DMS. In contrast, when a user edits a document is in a checked out status, the changes are applied to the existing document, creating a new version with the updated content. Please note that the Edit Document feature is currently supported only for Word and text file types. In the future, we plan to enhance this feature to allow editing of PDF files as well. Let us discuss this with an example. An HR administrator needs to update the company's code of conduct to include a new policy on workplace ethics. The document is available in the DMS as a Word file. The administrator selects the Edit Document option, makes the required changes within the system, and saves the document. The DMS creates a new document with the updated code of conduct while keeping the original version unchanged. This ensures version control, traceability, and compliance with audit requirements. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the HR Department Documents folder to navigate inside it. All uploaded documents are displayed within this folder. The user clicks the three ellipses next to the document to access additional options. For example, I selected the three ellipses next to the Code of Conduct document. These are the document actions available in the DMS. Select Edit Document Action from the list. The document will open in a new screen, allowing the user to make edits to the Code of Conduct Guidelines document. The user can use various formatting options, such as changing the font, adjusting the size, and applying bold or italic styles. After editing all the document content, the user clicks the Save As button to save the document in the document management system. This opens the Save Document pop-up on the screen. The user can enter a name of the document. Please make sure that the document name does not include special characters, except for underscores, hyphens, dots, and brackets. For example, I entered Revised Code of Conduct Guidelines. Next, select the folder where user want to save the document. By default, the system shows the folder from which the edit document action was initiated, but user can change it by clicking the folder info icon. First, click the three ellipses next to the folder field and remove the default folder. Then, click the folder info icon to open the folder screen, which displays all folders where user have upload permissions. Select the folder where user want to save the document and click OK to confirm. Next, select the document category if the user wants to create the document with an associated category. Right now, I am not selecting any category. Next, Select the file type from the drop-down options to save the document in the document management system. By default, Doc is selected, but other available options include ODT, PDF, RTF, and TXT. For example, I am selecting the default Doc option to save the document. After entering all the details, the user clicks OK to create the document. By clicking OK and Info, message appears on the user's screen indicating that the document has been edited and saved as a new document in the DMS successfully. Click on cross icon to close the message. To verify, return to the DMS web form. Select the folder where the newly edited document was saved. The user will see that the document has been successfully created in the checkout stage, indicating that the user is still working on the document. Please note that a document is created in the checkout stage. If the user performs an undo checkout action, it will delete the entire document from the DMS. Now, return to the Edit Document screen. The following options are available. Once the document is saved in checkout, the Save option becomes available. If the user makes any further modifications, clicking the Save button will update the changes in the existing document. For example, if you make some text bold and then click Save button to save the document. By clicking this, an info message will appear confirming that the changes have been saved. Next, return to the DMS form, select the document, and click the View icon to open it. The document will open in a new tab. You will see that the bold changes have been successfully saved in the existing document. Return to the Edit Document screen. The next option is Download. Clicking on Download will save a copy of the document to the user local system. Next, click the cross icon to close the Edit Document screen. So, in this video, we have covered the Edit Document action, and the remaining actions will be explained in upcoming videos. Thank you.